Testing, testing, testing. Hi there guys, my name is Rohan Bivi, and in today's video we are going to be talking about how does GPS find your location. Now, in today's video we are going to be talking about, well, how does GPS find your location? So let's say one day, okay, you're going out hiking, okay, you're hiking in the mountains, and say you get lost, okay, you find a clear area, you check your phone, okay, you look, say, on Google Maps or whatever, right, your GPS app, okay, and it automatically tells you your location. You didn't even have to input anything, it just already knows where you are. But how does GPS work, and how does it find our location? Even though we didn't type anything in, it just automatically puts it up. So how does it work? Okay, so, well, how does GPS work? And what exactly is GPS? So GPS, also known as Global Positioning System, okay, is, well, basically the Global Positioning System, or GPS, is a bunch of satellites orbiting around Earth, okay? Approximately there are around 30 satellites that are orbiting around Earth that, again, since they're orbiting around Earth, they are around 20,000 kilometers from the surface, okay? They're 20,000 kilometers above, okay? And these satellites continuously broadcast signals, okay? It basically broadcasts its exact location and the time it was sent, the exact time the broadcast was sent, and the broadcast itself is the exact location, okay? So it basically sends out signals and radio waves and broadcasts of its exact location, again, and the exact time it was sent. And you see, in our phone, there's a tiny GPS receiver, okay? And this GPS receiver, okay, basically takes in the signals, okay? See, since the signals travel at the speed of light, okay, the phone, okay, since we know what the speed of light is, and it also, what you say, again, it calculates, well, how long it took for that signal to get there, and we already know the speed, then our phone, okay, will then take this formula, okay, which is distance equals speed multiplied by time, okay? So by doing this formula, okay, it basically asks, not asks, but answers the question on how far away each satellite is. So it measures how long it took to arrive, the signals, and we already know the speed, so we got speed and time, so times those two, and we'll get the distance, okay? So now we know how far each satellite is. So here is the clever part, okay? So for GPS to work flawlessly, there has to be at least 4 satellites, and the phone knows the exact location of each. Now we can think, let's make a circle or a sphere, okay? A sphere, which basically how large the sphere is depends on the phone and the satellite's location. So let's make a sphere for all of the satellites, okay? From the satellite's distance to the phone's exact distance, okay? And the place where all the spheres intersect is our location, okay? And, well, that's basically how your phone actually finds your location, okay? And again, this process is called trilateration. I can't spell it properly, but, well, it's, again, the technique on how the phone now knows where our exact location is. We don't have to input anything. It already knows where we are, okay? And that's basically how how does GPS find your location? And how does our phone find our location so fast thanks to GPS? And, well, that's basically how it works. And, well, that's basically it. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.